Welcome back to the channel. We're headed on another bike trip. I know Max just said we're going to Toad Rock. That is correct, however, that'll be tomorrow. Right now we're headed to Armstrong, British Columbia to try and see our second rodeo. Come along for the adventure. We made it to the rodeo. Rodeo number 2. This is not my first rodeo. This is my second rodeo. Papa with his young seed. Teach him how to put a tent together. It's the morning. Everybody packed this stuff up, except for Jack. Jack's lazy. Yeah, you know what, Jack? It's none of your business. I'm the one fucking writing this story here, okay? The story is you're lazy. Do people see what I want them to see, Jackson? Yeah, we didn't go to the rodeo because apparently it's been sold out for several months, so just got wasted. Classic. Heading to Toad Rock. So we'll see. Maybe I'll turn the camera on there again. Probably not. I forgot to yesterday. I'm gonna get coffee.
Cherryville Roadhouse. It is a saint of a place.
Hi.
You need a bag of dicks, fuckers?
Cool, thanks. I'm kind of hungry. I guess I could. Not a whole bag, but like a partial bag, maybe. 3-4 dicks at least. A small tent can go there. My tent won't fit. Oh, yeah. We have made it to Toad Rock, as is tradition for every year. Ooh, a dog. Hello, puppy. Is this the new fucking park dog? Hello, Goober. Hello, baby. We're in the exercise bike graveyard, I like to call this. Jack's working out, getting a pump on. Had a 5-hour energy drink. He's just fucking amped now. I swear this was creepier last time we were here.
Max gonna have to go back for more hay.
Max already sculled all his drinks. We've been here 8 seconds. Fucking impressed. All right, let's set some shit up. And for good reason. That's why we're friends, Maximus. Yeah. It's my boy. Oh, the beard. Look at the beard, looks fucked. Styled by Harley Davidson in the Kootenai wind. All right, we are set up.
Like it doesn't look so far away. You can just like set the preset.
I'm gonna start crushing some beers, eating some snacks. Maybe go get a bag of ice. Should probably go for a wander, get some ices.
Some heist.
Go get some heist, baby. Vanilla.
Want some salmon jerky?
Oh yeah, give me some salmon. It's pronounced salmon. I pronounce it salmon. Fuck you. Yeah. This whole little spot to ourselves.
The back body.
The back 40 with the fucking tree fruit. Gotta get a big east side speed flag, fucking whip it up there.
Where's that doll?
Yo, it's over there. I already pointed it out to Max. It's over by the other guy's campsite.
Oh, my back, my legs. I'm old.
Yeah, you are old. So we're hanging out and drinking. As is tradition. Oh, this thing is so bright, but you can't see without it, so.
Oh, dude, it's so bad.
We went down to the pavilion. I wasn't gonna bring the camera because it'd be weird. I would be like a police officer. If I was just like,
I don't have my ID, Mr. Officer, please.
Exactly. Well, you, sir.
Mr. Officer, please.
No.
That guy's peeing. You can't see him.
That guy's peeing.
You can't see him, but that guy's peeing.
That guy's peeing.
So that's a crime to hold a child's penis. You're not supposed to do that. All right, well, we're gonna keep drinking, and I'm probably not gonna turn this back on again. It's the morning. Surprise, surprise, I'm slightly hungover. Let's pack up our stuff and go somewhere. I know where we're going. Have we decided where we're going? All right, we're gonna get coffee and figure it out. Hey.
This morning.
It is the morning, yeah. Things are put away.
Somebody went to Barftown at 5:30. It was me.
I wonder who that was.
Like right outside my tent. Just.
Time to get back on the road.
Any oil is better than not enough oil.
Put some vegetable oil in there. They say you can do it. Olive oil, vegetable, canola. It all works.
Oh.
I don't think it does. God, you're handsome.
He's
Just
drinking fucking 2 nights in a row and camping. It's just like it's getting harder to do.
yeah, we did it for 3 weeks though, Max. I think after week 1 you get a stride. I think once we were into it, you were into it.
I think.
Okay, we'll figure this out and get on the road. Well, we are back in the Okanagan. It's about 7,000 degrees outside. I mean, it's not actually, but it's warmer than fuck out here. Cody's got to fucking shellac his arms before he turns into a red fire truck. like a sheet of paper, that kid. But what, 2.5 hours from Soyuz, 3.5 from Penticton. We lost Papa and his boy. They're gonna go camping with friends of theirs and boating. And me and Cody don't like meeting new people, so bye. We going back home to go get fucking wasted on our respective couches. Maybe sleep in tomorrow. See you on the road.